Look, if you could find a treasure chest at the bottom of the ocean and the Dongzhou AB rhinestone crystals. I just unboxed these and my mind is a little bit blown right now. Look at this. I'm gonna show you compared to regular acrylic rhinestones here in a second. I did a lot of research about this company trying to understand why these had the price that they did. Rhinestones that go in very, very high-end costume jewelry. It comes with 82 pieces, 9 styles, 50 of these little ones. The reason that they shine like that, for their glass, they have this multi-layer process which protects them from fading and scratching. These are so beautiful. The very first thing I noticed was, you know when you order how it's loose and in a box or a bag? This was individually packaged. For that reason alone, I love that. What you will not see on any of these is a single scratch. They're flawless. I almost don't want to use them because they're so beautiful. It does come with a 4-claw setting so you can sew them on. I'm gonna glue them onto something. Now let me put it up next to this. This is just your regular plastic rhinestone. This is this glass. You tell me, which one would you want on your item? Let me know. This is just one of those products where there isn't much I can say that these rhinestones aren't saying for themselves. This would not be going on something that was gonna be used for a single night. This is sort of a forever application. All right, let me get rid of you. Sorry, buddy. I'm gonna try to put one of each in my hand. I mean, I will literally be almost sad to use these. Look, if you could find a treasure chest at the bottom of the ocean and pull it up, that this is what real jewels would look like. This is a whole nother level. I'm not knocking plastic rhinestones for certain projects. Yes, all day. But when it counts, when it matters, this is it. For me, I have some Swarovskis. I'm gonna go get them so I can compare. These are not the same size. Swarovski is it, right? That's where it's at. Let's see how these stack up. We'll put you right there, one of your brothers right there, you, and you. This is the acrylic rhinestone, Swarovski Dongzhou. Guys, look. I'm speechless. I have a weird obsession with sparkly things, but for me, even this is next level. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.